Does YouTube TV offer unlimited DVR? Yes, YouTube TV provides an unlimited cloud-based DVR feature, allowing subscribers to record as many programs as they desire without storage limitations. Key features of YouTube TV's unlimited DVR. Unlimited storage. Recorded unlimited number of shows, movies, and sports events simultaneously without worrying about storage space. Number 2, 9-month retention period. Saved recordings are accessible for up to 9 months from the recording date. Number 3, automatic recording of series. Adding a series to your library prompts the DVR to record all current and future episodes automatically. Number 4, cloud-based access. Access your recordings from any compatible device with an internet connection as recordings are stored in the cloud. How to use YouTube TV's DVR feature. Step number 1, add programs to your library. Navigate to the show, movie, or sports event you wish to record. Click the plus icon to add it to your library, initiating the recording of live broadcasts and future airings. Step number 2, access your recordings. Go to the library tab to view your recorded content. Recordings are organized by categories, such as most recent, scheduled, and individual programs. Step number 3, manage your recordings. To stop recording a program, select it in your library and click remove. This action halts future recordings but retains existing ones until they expire after 9 months. Additional considerations. On-demand content. In some cases, recorded content may be replaced with on-demand versions, which might include unskippable ads. Internet connection requirements. An active internet connection is necessary to stream recorded content, as YouTube TV does not support offline viewing by default. However, with the 4K Plus add-on, subscribers can download recordings to mobile devices for offline viewing.